What's up, good people? How you doing on this beautiful Sunday? Listen, on today's video, I'm going to talk about things you should stop doing immediately. Stop doing with stock and crypto. Here's the main stop. You know what? Before I get into that, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bells. A lot of you guys have been hitting the like button, and it's actually starting to give me life, staying alive, like the Bee Gees, right? Make sure you don't fall for spam in the comment section. Never a WhatsApp, never a broker. I don't manage anybody's money. And finally, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell stock or crypto. But I'm going to talk about things that most people in investing should stop doing. Number one, right now, if you have a broker and it's just full of red, all right? And I don't care if you made the worst decisions, which some of you did, but there's hope, and we're going to help to get you out of that. I don't care how red it is or how bad it is. I want you to stop looking at your portfolio daily. We want you to stop doing that, because you can't focus on the future if you're looking on the past, right? We'll get back to that at the end of the video. I want you guys to stop, S-T-O-P, stop buying stock at the top. And when it comes down, you refuse to buy, okay? So stop buying at the top and selling at the bottom. That's discipline. If you look at the term dumb money, which was created for you and I by Wall Street, I want you to Google it. If don't just listen to guys like me. I want you and I need you to Google this stuff, because when you see it, when you see what dumb money means, which really is emotional traders, it will cause you to understand that you are part of the herd. We are part of the herd, and we don't want to be part of the herd. We want to be part of smart money, not dumb money. What smart money do is they start to buy when it's low, but they sell when it's high. You know, Warren Buffett, I'm just going to paraphrase it. Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy, right? It may not be exactly that, but it means the same thing, good people. And so what that simply means is when everybody's buying, you should be selling. And when everybody's selling, you should be buying. And 90% of the times that works. And stop buying one particular stock and one particular sector. Meaning, don't just buy oil stock, or just don't buy just ETFs or whatever. You need to be diversified. So stop chasing, stop having fear of missing out. Stop buying a stock and not at least going to someplace like www.yahoofinance.com and at least see what they do. Never invest in a company you don't even know what they do. So at least go and see what they do. You can look at the PE ratio there, the price to earnings. You can see if the company is profitable or not. And you don't have to know a lot to just see. And then read down. What I like about Yahoo Finance is it talks about some of the newsworthy things that the company has done. And sometimes you'll see, it'll say this stock is expected to fall. And so even without knowing how to read a balance sheet, it will give you some caution. So don't just buy a stock based on what anybody tells you, including myself, okay? So we want you to stop looking at your portfolio all of the time. And I want you to stop just having one portfolio. I'm telling you, most successful traders have multiple portfolios because it works. Because if you got a portfolio full of red, every time you open it up, it's going to discourage you. And so what you need to do is create a new portfolio, keep your stock in that portfolio. When you start to see more green in your other portfolio, it's going to help you with your red portfolio. And I can tell you, just about all of these crypto trading platforms, when you see them, you'll start to see that once you know one, you go into the other and it's the same thing. It's just the buttons are in different places. So I want you to stop being lazy. I'm saying this in an encouraging way, and start investing time into your investing, right? It's your money. So I want you to start to do more study. Now is the time for us to start studying. And for those of you that are thinking about tapping out altogether, I want you to stop thinking about tapping out, because you came in, a lot of you, in a bull market, which a lot of stock were overvalued and they were too expensive, right? And so you buy at the top, and I want you to stop thinking about just selling everything at the bottom for a loss. I want you to create another portfolio and start thinking, I need to start buying at the bottom on some of these stock. And when they start to run up a lot, then I want you to start profit taking on some of those that are swing trades. This is not your long-term investment. This is not your $5 a day challenge. These are swing trades that most of us are in. And what will happen is you will learn how to take profits more often, and you will win long term, okay, with your trading, not your investing, but your trading. So let's recap. We want you to stop looking at your bloodbath. I have a saying: I will not complain about things I cannot change. I will only make better the things that I can, right? That's Larry, all right? That's not Gandhi. That's not these guys. That's me, all right? And I know other people have things similar, but that's what I say. Because if you focus on the red, you're going to miss out on the green. Let me say that again. If you constantly focus on the red, you're going to miss a sea of green. When 2020 happened, and my wife had a rug pull, I had a rug pull, and we both filing for not bankruptcy. We're both filing for unemployment, and I get turned down because I'm an independent contractor. I didn't lay around and say, woe is me. I went and said, where is the opportunity? The opportunity was in the stock market, and we went in and we killed it for a year and a half. Just insane. Second half of 2020 and all of 2021. So I want you to think, what is the best time to get ready to get in the market? It is now, and it's going to be more of an opportunity when we come down even lower. So again, I'm going to keep saying this. What I see, I may be wrong, I may be right. What I see is a slight bump in the market. I think it'll be Q4, but it could come earlier than then. This is just what I think. And I see we'll have a slight recovery. Everybody will think everything is fine. And then the true bottom will come. The hard recession will come. So I believe we're in a soft recession. On the 28th of this month, the GDP numbers will come out, and we will know, in fact, if we've been in a recession this entire year. I believe we've been in a soft recession, but the data will prove it, okay? So we could have a slight recovery, which happens most of the time, slight bounce, and then a hard recession. So I want you guys that are new to the stock game and crypto game, is let's focus on the stops. We're going to stop looking at the bloodbath. We're going to stop buying at the top and not considering buying at the bottom. Nobody wants to touch the stock now. Nobody wants to touch the crypto now that is rock bottom. And I am going to end by telling you that I am looking to make ridiculous gains in stocks and crypto. Just look at my other previous videos, and I've just been consistent about that. I'm also going to be consistent about, if you're into crypto and you're not in the stock, I'm going to strongly encourage you to get into stock, because when the recession is over, what always follows a recession, whether it be 6 months, 18 months, or 24 months, there's a bull market. So look at where we are in this cycle and just realize that you will be getting out of the market at the absolute worst time. You will become the definition of dumb money. And I beg you to Google what that means if you have not Googled dumb money. And it will make you a little mad, but it'll wake you up, okay? Hey, good people, there was one final stop doing this that is huge, probably the biggest one, and I couldn't wait to get to film this. And that is stop listening to negative people. Stop listening to negative people. If you've been rolling with me for a while, you've heard me say the term, everyone has a broker. Real estate brokers, stock brokers, and neighborhood brokers, right? Those are the people that are broke and they want you broke-er. You know, unfortunately, some of us live with those people. Some of us are sleeping with those people. Some of those people are our family members, but we need to treat their advice like the plague, okay? And someone commented the other day, hey, I'm new to the page because another YouTuber was speaking ill of you. And it was quite obvious that this other YouTuber, this small YouTube page, that they don't even listen to your videos. So they were saying that they contradict what I was saying, but they use my, my picture on their thumbnail so they can get likes. I'm just going to tell you guys right now, don't concentrate on the haters. They're doing their jobs. That's what they're supposed to do. You got to do this. You got to you got to look forward. The easiest thing it is to do in a bear market is to talk about how bad things are going to get because it makes sense. It's happening in real time. The most difficult thing it is to do is to tell people what to do in bad times. And so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm looking beyond the bad times because I see what's coming. And I am someone that made an investment, my first investment in 92. So I've lost money, I've made money. And I can tell you every single bear market is an opportunity to reposition yourselves and to make money and to make way more than you ever lost. So now's not the time to tap out. Now's the time to be studying and cashing up. Hey, check out those links below. Hey, if you're on a cell phone, you can actually tap the title and then you'll see a drop down, right? And then if you want to see even more of the drop down, hit more beneath that. And there is where you can find the links on your cell phone. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, deposit a penny in both Weeble and Moo, and just get the free stuff and be ready because we want to help you make both of those portfolios green. But just put 100 in each. But if you don't have the 100, start with the penny. All right, good people, we will stay positive. We will not be scared. We will be prepared. I'll see you Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of this coming week.